I suspect many of you remember the mountain wallet. This has been my daily carry for over a year now since I first designed and made this, and it's been by far the most successful pattern on my website. So what I wanted to do today was to take the elements of this design that work well and apply those to a bifold design that is just as easy to make, almost as small, but is able to achieve those extra things. And I thought this was going to be quick and easy to come up with a simple design, but as I think it was Pascal talked about, I would have written a shorter letter, but I didn't have the time. It's kind of the same thing with product design. It's very easy to make something complicated. It's not so easy to come up with something simple but also effective. So I won't show you the 8 hours of footage I took creating the various prototypes, models of this design. Just know that a lot of work went into what ended up being really not that complicated, but it's been fine-tuned just like the mountain wallet to the point where it's efficient in its use of leather, it's efficient in its use of your time making it, and you can make it in no time at all with no experience, no skills. You just need a knife, a hole punch, and a couple of rivets. If you want to make this for yourself, as usual, the pattern is available on the website, completely free for the first 2 weeks after the release of this video, and after that it's not free, but it's very cheap. So check out the website below. If you do like the pattern, I'd appreciate a like, comment on the video, subscribe for future notifications. Anyway, I've talked enough, so for now you can just sit back, relax, and enjoy the video.